Welcome to our channel. If you want to update the firmware on your Roku device to access the latest features and improvements, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure your system is up to date. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and ensure it is connected to the internet. Step 2. Press the home button on your Roku remote to go to the main screen. Step 3. Navigate to settings using the remote and select it. Step 4. Scroll down and select System from the Settings menu. Step 5. Select System Update to check for available firmware updates. Step 6. Click Check Now to manually search for updates. Roku will automatically check for the latest firmware version. Step 7. If an update is available, Roku will download and install it automatically. Do not turn off your device during this process. Step 8. Once the update is complete, your Roku device will restart, and you will see the updated firmware version in the System Update menu. Your Roku is now running the latest software. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.